Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am back today with my Avant Agenda pens, pencils, and more subscription. Let me set this stuff over out of the way. So we get a beautiful journaling card. Love it how she has it all set up. It says to review, tag them for social media. So these must be their new cards. And she has a little discount code there. And I don't think I'm going to get this one out without taking that. There we go. So we always get the clear little pouch or envelope, which I love. And then let me get a sheet of paper so that we can swatch these pens. So it doesn't come with anything that tells us what each one is. That's different. So we have a purple double-ended highlighter. It says Morning Star on it. Oh, it's one of those that you can put your little dots. Oh, I like this one. It doesn't make the dots too big. And then the highlighter. So there is that one. And then we get, this one is, let's see, beautiful blue. Dot pen, Kohlink highlighter, 1 millimeter and 5 millimeters. So we get the dots, and you have to tap it very gently, because if you really tap it, it really gives you a juicy. And then you get this side. Does anybody highlight with this side? Because I really don't. But I like the dots. And then we get a Mirandy pink blush eraser. Now everybody knows you need a pink eraser. Super cute. So we got a pink eraser, and then we got a uni blue black 0.5 millimeter. It says from Uniball 1 0.5. So this one is a Uniball 1. Writes really smooth, and I love blue black ink. And then you have your little clip. So there is that. And then we get a Mirandy blush pink pencil to go with our blush pink eraser. And I would much rather leave that on there and just use and then you can use your little eraser. Did everybody have the little pink erasers that we had in school? And then we get some 0.5 lead. Get about 10 or 20 of these. So there is, I got that little booger thing off the end of the pen. But there is our Avant agenda. This would be November's subscription. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.